if your apps are not updating on iPhone or you just want to keep everything up to date. In this video, I'll show you every method step by step, including a hidden fix most people don't know. So let's get started. Step 1. Turn on automatic app updates. First, unlock your iPhone and go to your home screen. Now, open the Settings app. At the top, you'll see a search bar. Tap on it and type App Store. Then tap on App Store from the results. Now scroll down until you see the section called Automatic Downloads. Here you'll find an option called App Updates. If this toggle is off, turn it on right now. This will make sure your iPhone automatically updates all your apps in the background, so you don't have to do it manually again. Step 2. Update apps manually. Now let's say you want to update apps yourself. Go back to your home screen and open the App Store. Once it opens, look at the top right corner and tap on your profile picture. Now, swipe down on the screen to refresh. This will load all pending updates. Scroll down and you'll see a list of apps with an update button next to them. To update a single app, tap Update next to it. Or if you want to update everything at once, tap Update All. Wait a few seconds and your apps will start updating. Step 3. Fix apps not updating. Important trick. If an app is stuck or not updating, don't worry. Here's a powerful fix. Go back to Settings, scroll down and tap on General. Then tap on iPhone Storage. Wait a few seconds for the list to load. Now find the app that is not updating, for example Instagram, and tap on it. Here you'll see an option called Offload App. Tap on Offload App and confirm it. This will remove the app temporarily but keep all your data safe. Now you know how to update apps on iPhone step by step, plus how to fix apps that are not updating. If this video helped you, make sure to like and subscribe for more simple tech tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.